welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. So Umsele Mayeni, he says he wants to see the house that Mayeni has been complaining about in one of the episodes this season. She said that in nje yawa, ayiphelanga somewhere, there's things that are not fine, but Umsele doesn't care, busy nje ugijimsana nendaba number 5. Umsele said in his direct sessions that Mayeni unamanga, she's just trying to diminish his character as a man, to try and make him seem like uyahluleka. But now we see that the house indeed is not finished, and then apparently it's been 4 years. And then he says he's going to finish the house, it's just that he has a lot on his plate. How? Njani indoda a lot on his plate takes a 5th wife instead of focusing on the lot that he has in his plate. Anyway, bahleli-ke bakhuluma noMayeni uthi umtshela ngendaba ye-ceremony that because he almost died, he wants to do a ceremony to thank the ancestors and so forth. Athi uMayeni, wena ngoba sekugule wena manje you want to do umsebenzi, nami ngathi ngifuna ukubonga after my surgery. You blocked me. Wathi kwangenzeki because nami ngifuna ukubonga on my birthday, ngibonga impilo. But you blocked me. Now wena ufuna uyenza. Athi umsele wena nje, he does not remember that conversation. Athi uMayeni, it's fine vele when you don't remember anything. Bachwe bakhulume athi okay ufuna ukwenza umsebenzi. Athi uMayeni, this is funny because already you bought goats, kunembuzi la ekhaya osithengele umsebenzi, but mina I'm only finding out ngalo umsebenzi manje while there are already goats in the yard. Athi msele phela yazi le mizi eminingi, I have to go to each house and report, so kunzima nje. Athi uMayeni, ungangitsheli mina ngalokho, uwethi ufuna isithembu sakho lesi, so you must funa usimele, you must know how you handle the reporting. Vele kumele ureport. Athi umsele uyazini ukukhuluma noMayeni ayikho into enhle ozoyivuza. She will always bring the past man since amkhuluma. And then the kids meet Mzumbe, Abo Mpilo, Sne, Mpumelelo noLwandle to talk about their father's condition, begula. Sne abatshela ukuthi they told them not to tell the Abo no Mpilo because they were at school, so they just didn't want to disturb them. Athi Umpilo yana vele, she's fine with that. Umawakhe knew that she won't cope, she'll be distracted, that's why amtshelanga, and she appreciates it. But she didn't like it at all. Next time if kwenzeka isimo esifana nalesi, they must tell her, because she kept on asking because she was suspicious ukuthi babakhe right, but everyone kept hiding this from her. But then ugcine ethola ezwa ngabantu, apparently her aunt called her and told her, and it wasn't nice. And then uMangwabe no Makhumalo, they go out for dinner, but especially umoya nje, it's been tough, isimo nje besinzima. Things kept on getting worse and worse, so they go out ukuthola umoya. uMakhumalo nje kumnandi ukuba out because ukube ekhaya nje it's triggering, they've been through a lot. So bayicocele ke noMbali, athi alethe indaba eBhili, athi sikhulume ngeBhili kanti kwenzakaleni iBhili yasesibhedlela. Athi uMbali so mina ngafika lapha uMacele wathi kumele sikhokhele iBhili, ngakhokha ke mina, but then athi uThobile naye when she went there kufike nje bathi they need to pay 100,000 rands deposit. So she paid yena thinking that everyone else will just reimburse her. But then uMayeni wathi yena nje akahlangene, she doesn't want to get involved, akayingeni nje indaba yamabhili bangamfaki. Kanjani ngoba nawo umyeni wakho. Anyway, they paid, baphuma lapho, and then athi bakhuluma ke athi uMangwabe, yazi isimo besibheda, mina nje bengicela ukuthi uMthombeni by the time aphuma uzoba sesikhohliwe, uzoba nje sekhohliwe ngathi mina vele makuyimi, because nje I'm in trouble. He never has anything good to say about me, so vele I thought he won't remember me. But then I was praying and hopeful that he will recover, because I wanted him to recover so he can get his number 5, because I'm also busy accused ngokuthi siyapephetha siblock number 5, so I wanted him to heal, recover, so that he can get number 5 wakhe kungathiwa yithi simpephethile. Anyway, baxoxe bachubeke bakhulume, ethi sebalethe indaba, athi uThobile umsele kumcelile ukuthi asize with preparations or plans with cooking and stuff for the ceremony, planning, catering and all. She must tell the other wives because she doesn't want to be accused of acting like the only wife because of issues in the past. She knows that Umsele is not going to tell Umbali, but then she doesn't want to be caught in the middle, like she knew and she didn't tell them, like she was planning this whole thing with Umselegu. So she's going to tell Mangwabe that Musa is planning to bring wife number 5 on the day of the ceremony. Amtshele ke mpeli udaba kumbali athi kuMangwabe look, Umselegu says on the day of the ceremony he's also going to introduce number 5. How? Abe shocked ke uMangwabe ukuthi hawu njani nathi sikhona. He wants us there, knowing exactly that I don't want nothing to do with number 5. So introducing number 5 while we're also there. Atumakumalazin, I told him that this is a bad idea. He must just wait. He must not do it. But he's hell bent on doing it. And then Atumangwabe, hey, yazini, this is not going to work. And if angifuni ukukhuluma, so I don't want to find myself in a situation in Jena. And number 5 uza kanjani, like in a ceremony yakomseleku while she's still a girlfriend. We never attended ceremonies, ceremonies when we were still girlfriends. This is just shocking. And then hey, athi uMakhumbali ngiyacela please ungahlali ungezi, please uze so we can see ukuthi kwenzakalani ngomgcibelo. Whether Mbali is going to come or not, it seems like she is, because when they show what's going to happen in the next episode, it seems like she will be there. So stay tuned to see what transpires at the ceremony. And then because the issue was when Musa got discharged from hospital, Musa stayed KwaMacele for a while for Macele to look after her. So Makhumalo and Mangwabe, they'd go there to visit him daily. And then when he was now able to come to Mzumbe, Weza Tobile first, and then Mafia Tobile, Makhumalo ahlala khona, Umbalo was even able to come and see him there. And then as Umangwabe, and then Yana, she was confused. Umayeni selwa naye about Umusa coming to her house. She forced Njogutu, you need to come here. You need to come to my house. Ibile when I we're pretender. You need to come here. But Umangwabe was so confused because last time I checked, Umayeni had gone back home. It's just the 3 of us taking turns. It's just me, Makhumalo, and Macele. So for her to come and fight with me while we thought she's back home and she's not here, it was just so confusing to me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.